Okay, this is bonds, and this is just basically to show you how to do this because I have set up formulas for you. So you just have to put the appropriate numbers in the appropriate boxes, and it's going to calculate the present value of bond X, bond Y at this, for this given situation. So these are your bonds and their original write-up. 6% for 9 years at $1,000 face value, 11% 7 years at a bond of $1,000 face value. But they want to know the present value when the market is paying 7. So that involves gathering all this information. So what is the payment on the bond? Well, the payment's going to be the interest each year, and that's 6% times 1,000, which gives us $60 for the payment. My future amount, future value, is $1,000 because that's what the face amount of it is. It's what it's going to pay in 6 years. Number of periods, N is periods. Number of periods is 9 years because it's annual. And the yield, the interest yield, is going to be 7%. It's going to give the market rate yield. So when you plug these all in, we have this wonderful formula in Excel that brings everything back to present value. And if I type in equal PV here, you can see what you end up with here. So your first number, or your first area, is the rate. The NP is number of periods. The payment is the interest payment. And the future value is the FV. So I've tied all of these. If you look at the cell, oh my, let's get out of there before I mess this up. If you click here, you'll see the formula set up. D12, which is the yield. This is the period. This is the payment. And then this becomes the future value, and it automatically calculates it for you. So you've got the 9-year and the 11-year, or 7-year. You're going to come down, and this is semi-annual. Now, what's interesting about semi-annual is the, I've got to change the payment. Semi-annual means I'm going to have 2 payments a year, which means my payments are going to be, or my periods are going to be 18 years. I'm not going to pay that full annual amount, so I have to divide the payment in half. I also have to divide that yield in half because it's only for 6 months. It's semi instead of annual. So again, you'll do the plug and chug, and the formula will give you, well, isn't that interesting? A mistake. Now a real mistake. That needs to go away. And when you change that, you click on there. So you can see there's very little difference in this one, maybe 80 cents, and very little difference in this one. Now you're going to go down to 12% market here. And this is annual again. So plug and chug it in and get it all done. And now you want to look at these and answer these questions for me. Which is a premium? Which is a discount? Why the differences? Why the difference in the coupon rates? Okay. Why does, if both of these bonds sell on the same day, why would this bond rate have a lower interest than bond Y? And that is bonds. So wonderful operations done in Excel. So be sure to check that out. Questions? Please message. Thank you.